Okay, 34. Get this, there we go. 34. It looks like this. We've got a 0 at -2, 1 at -1, and 1 at 1. And I can say that x plus 2 is a factor, x plus 1 is a factor, and x minus 1 is a factor. Okay, so f of x equals that is a possible polynomial for this, a cubic that goes, just like that. 37 is the one that's going to be a little bit trickier, that you're going to have to think about maybe a little bit more. So I've got x minus 5, so f of x equals x plus 5, x plus 1, and x minus 3. Now remember though what we said earlier, again, and I'm saying this, repeating this in case you didn't watch the earlier video, x minus 3 has to have an even power attached to it, because any point around 3 has this, the y value has the same sign. In this case they're both negative. Well, the problem is it's going to make it positive, and so I'm going to have a negative in front here, so that when I plug in 3.1, this is squared, that's a positive. These are both positive, of course, so I need my final answer to be negative, so I have to have this negative in front. The other way to think of it, and I'm kind of hoping you guys know this, but if not, an x to the fourth plus x cubed plus x minus 1, or anything like that. Remember, the tails, if x is a positive number, a positive big number, this will be positive, and that's going to be bigger than all of these combined. And if I have a negative number, like -3, and I plug that in, this will be positive, and it will be bigger than all of those. So I know the end behavior for this is going to be positive on both sides, and it's going to have 3 turns for a fourth power. Well, this one opens down, so I have to make that a negative, and that will flip it over the x-axis to make it open down, right? Something like that. Okay, and let's look at 42. Is this continuous without graphing it on -1, 1? Is there anywhere, the numerator is continuous, of course, is the bottom continuous on this interval and not 0, because I can't divide by 0? Well, any value I plug in from -1 to 1, this will be positive. So x squared plus 1 is always positive. In fact, it's true for, greater than 0. It's positive for any value of x. So therefore, this is well defined, this fraction is well defined, and so it's continuous because the numerator and denominator are continuous. So yes.